Kwame Pras. This one is a lie. Wait. See.
Abuza from Mamu Nyama Kwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mechanism be say amanya some ye no. So what money under hwa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
You have said that what you have done in your constituency in the last 1 year, no one has done it before, or no member of parliament from G0moa Central has been able to do that. That's a very strong claim. What are the tangible successes that you can point to for people to know that indeed you actually have worked for your people?
I'm going to say just one thing.
Okay.
Because I know we don't have all the time.
Yes.
Last year, in 2024 alone, I saw people on social media, not on social media, but traditional media, claiming that they have given people 30 people scholarship. And so it was newsworthy.
You mean your colleague MPs?
Yes, some MPs. And when I saw it, I was like, really? And I didn't organize a press conference because last year alone, I gave 150 people scholarship to go to universities for free. And after that, apart from that, even before I became MP, I'd already given about 21 people scholarship to go to universities. And last year, I had to add the 21 to the 150, which makes it 171 people. Anybody who has been MP in G0moa Central, who has been able to do that one alone, should come and tell us so that we will clap for him or her. You understand?
Hey! Kwame Pras. This one is a lie. Wait. Since I H0w me, since I me bawiase, amani beti ye mani be fiye. MP mo so chantro. Aye Kwame Pras. Since I H0w me, since I H0w me, amani fiye mani tiye. According to Assemble Kwame Pras MP, Kwame Pras king. Hey. Oh, it's a lie. It's a lie. Offer receipt in Brabontin. Kwame Pras and for receipt and Brabontin, and at the same time, in Conforma 171 university graduates for now, or H0w on first uncle for Nyam Brabontin. No medical shiane snap and swear and from Bodia. Say yampa ono no hye sanko for 171 intro ben no intro ben no ade obi asa o say be kasa wo platform no to am obi akatra say by force be kasa as MP ana intro ben no say since one last year one man for 171 scholarship say woman fa ko university. Okay. Yansha adebu wa ha. Yansha adebu wa ha. Yanfa ni say one semester aye 2,500. Inti sa 2 semester no ebe 5k. Inti ebe 1 year de be 5,000. Inti 5,000 times 171 people. Inti 5,000 times 171. Ebemo 855,000 Ghana cedis. Get getting to 9 billion. Getting to old currency 9 billion. Because 5K, 5,000 times 171. Ebemo 855,000 Ghana cedis. A month, Kwame Plus. What you saying a month? As a MP, what you saying a month? Okay. Yamfani said Ghana H0w MPs 15,000 per a month. 15,000 times 1 year times 12. About 180,000 into 180,000, which is 1.8 billion a year. No, Sika yedi abino Ghana government edi chair Kwame A plus a year no, and 1.8 billion. And on see a year no, or spending 9 billion. I was scholarship or the G0moa for. Hey. ATM I 180,000 minus 855,000 minus 855,000. Ebeka 675,000. So what is salary no oyi free mo say yeti free mo a sika wasa so be invest wom yemfa say 7 billion. Hey! Sa sika no nya no wo he na wo dey scholarship. Sa sika no nya no wo he e na wo dey ma scholarship. Ni bisa. Says ye tua wo ka a year ni hia. We nya 1.8 billion. We nya 1.8 billion a year. Now wono a year no wo ma scholarship keke 9 billion. Sa sika na abro so no. Sa sika no wo nya firi himfa. Adwuma be na wo ye. Wo networks ye sen. Na that means automatically no o pa kire me say. On my ni sika na wo de hwe nkofo ma na. Na that means o pa kire me say. Sika ye dia mo say fa ye mpuntunwuma wo ukrom no. Enu bi na wayi die free ma wo de hwe sa scholarship for na question me pese mi bisa no. Ha Ghana for ye ntimi yo. Kwame Plus. Ana officer ye Ghana for ye nkola na.
Jene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say hospitals and it goes on and no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya it is can kan dey was say go to me say oh I mean say almost same people for for name my comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort you say anya Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem okeke mu kakaka Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asɔfo no mo nkɔmɔ no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for no nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women no nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet Kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Na ze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nketenkete ya adwen nketenkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is here nyamode. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama ko gina if I say and can form gafo catch up say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia and na gafo say okay nye beto aba na ma boom boom mo to aba ma kinki government it me
say dey ko ye kra dey menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onye
Juma or da and onye Juma or da amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or sister asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwa dan and nam one. Yes. Na che say was in no kura during say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Say problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good it me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court, and as high court really say the oil unique case what ferry akona koda afi the old fed na afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa maye no issue document say we a fugitive a wo dwane tango personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda and you so sad
no Raymond wankasa me ne matinye mabaye miense bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the meme hu no wo the very soon hu recordings ebepie
Raymond
very soon hu recordings are ebepie
Agyeta
and this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi for my Agyeta. Yes mpenyin se achia na nsi mu ye esna bebo nyina Agyeta bisa me na yemu se ho ye si afi mu 2026 yen kire adwuma yo kwa ya Ghana as a country ya nya ho benefit yen kire adwuma as attorney general aya Ghana fo nya ho benefit